ABCya is an online resource that provides many different gaming options to work on skills for many different grade levels, which you can see on the screen, starting with pre-K all the way through grade 6 and up. I use it for all of these grades with my computer class. I start with my kindergarten class doing keyboarding skills through a game called Keyboard Zoo. And they love it. It teaches them home row. It teaches them how to use their hands in the correct positions. Shows them when to move the fingers in different great ways. I mean, it's excellent. In first grade, we just recently used it for a story building tool, which is what I'm going to show you today. So I've clicked in first grade. And when you click in, you can also see that they are aligned with Common Core standards. So you can click there and find games that match the standards you're currently working on. Or you can find them by categories. So we're going to look at letters. And then it opens up your gaming options. And next to each one, you can see the little bubbles, which gives you your grade ranges. They're all alphabetized for you. So we are going to scroll down to Story Maker, which is the one I'm going to show you. And it does have the pop-up ads on the sides, but my kids typically don't even notice them, but it is something you do need to talk about with the students on not to click those ads. They tend to focus right here in the center. So they all start with a play button. They all also have nice music to them. Some of them have directions that they need to be listening to. So if you have multiple students doing this, you do want to have headsets so that they can focus in on their particular device and not listen to everyone else's. But we have play. We type in their name, hit play, and you start with a blank canvas here, which allows you to draw your picture and a lot of different fun tools to draw your picture. When you come over here, you can click typing, and it allows them to type their story, whatever they would like to type. The downfall about this is you're only allowed this much space per page. So once I'm done with this page, I can go back to my picture, and I can draw whatever picture, and I'm just going to kind of like do a little bit just so that you can kind of see what happens with different things. You've got spray paints and whatever picture you want to create. Then when they're done, you can click and see what the whole page will look like. The nice part about it is it cites it at the bottom and gives them their name. And they can download this page or they can print it directly. If they're not ready, you can click here and it goes back. This is page 1. If you want to add a second page, you simply add a second page and do the same thing. So you have your picture at the top and your writing at the bottom. So what I utilized this for just this past week is our first graders were reading the story Country Mouse, City Mouse. And so we treated one page as a country mouse and the other page as city mouse. And then when we were done, we downloaded and then I printed them and they displayed those in the hallway. So it was a great way for them to summarize the story very quickly and easily at their level. I provided the sentences for them up on my smartboard that they could use or they could adjust and change. So it's just one example of a game that is here. So get on, explore. There is a premium version. I've never done the premium version. There are plenty of fun things to do just within the free version. So check it out.